In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create split view inside Toggleblock in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, collapsible section with a 3-column layout tucked neatly inside it. Perfect for dashboards, checklists, or any area where you want quick access without cluttering your page. Start by bringing up Notion's command menu. Click into your page and type a /. This opens the Quick Actions menu where you can search for any block. Begin typing the word toggle to filter the options. You'll see a few choices appear. Select Toggle List. This adds a simple collapsible row to your page that can hold other blocks inside it, letting you hide or show content as needed. Now, open the toggle so we can build the layout inside. Click the small arrow to the left of the toggle. When it points down, the toggle is expanded and ready for content. This step is important because any blocks you add next will go inside the toggle rather than below it. With the toggle open, bring up the command menu again. Type a / and begin typing column. Notion will suggest preset column layouts, which makes creating a split view fast and consistent. Choose the option labeled 3 columns. Instantly, Notion creates a 3-column grid inside your open toggle. This is your split view. Each column is a normal content area, so you can add text, images, to-dos, or embeds to any of them, while still being able to collapse the entire section using the toggle. Give each column a clear name so the layout is easy to scan. Click into the first column and type a short label, then do the same for the second and third columns. Keep the labels concise and consistent so people know exactly what lives in each section. Good labels can make a big difference in how quickly you can find what you need later. That's it. Your split view is now living inside a toggle block. You've combined the flexibility of columns with the simplicity of a collapsible container, which is especially helpful for pages that tend to grow over time. If you're working with shared pages, this approach also keeps things tidy for collaborators by hiding advanced or optional content until it's needed. To recap, you opened the command menu, added a toggle list, expanded it, inserted a 3-column layout using the column command, and named each column. Use this pattern anywhere you want a compact, organized section that can expand into a powerful mini dashboard on demand.